Good morning, everybody. Happy weekend to you all. It's all about the unique, and today we'll be making pancakes. Yes, we have all these ingredients here. We have vanilla sugar, we have our flour, the main ingredients. We have some salt, I have some sugar and milk. So I've already added my ingredients. I'm just going to mix it, then I will show you the next step. Keep watching, guys, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to leave your comments. It's so great to have you here. If you are a new subscriber or if you are a newcomer in this to this family, I welcome you. Thank you all for all you have been doing for this channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys so much. All right, let's get started. I'm going to mix this, the flour, the vanilla sugar, I added some salt and sugar. I'm only going to add the milk, and I'll let you see how I blend it. I'm going to mix with a mixer so it can mix or blend very well so that there will be no lumps, and I want some air inside this mixture, so keep watching. I'll keep mixing. I will just show you the mixture afterwards. So we are done mixing, and this is how I want my pancakes to my mixture to look like. This consistency and this foam on it, so it's very light, very light in texture. Next is for us to start frying our pancakes. So just a bit of butter, very little, not too much, and lower your heat, reduce your heat now that the pan is very hot. Wait for this to cook. I'll just show you two pieces that I'm going to make, and yeah, that's it. So I'm going to flip the second time. Guys, don't forget it's our casual weekends, the weekend where we make very simple meal, make snacks, something very simple for the family to eat. Like I always say, you don't need to spend all day making something in the kitchen. So this is done. So this is also very, very simple to make, and that is the first one we have made. It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful.
Exactly. Okay. So it's time to flip. And the doctor is helping me now. So I think it's brown enough, but I'm not so sure. Maybe I will flip it later back to this side. So see how it goes. Leave it for another 1 minute. This is the second one, and I'm flipping. It's ready. This is the last batch of the pancakes. We are done. So we'll be moving on to the filling of this pancake. So I'm doing the filling of this pancake. So we have fresh cream, we have mascarpone or mascarpone, and we have icing sugar. So we are going to mix this up, then we'll let you see what we are going to do with it in a bit. And beat again. The cream is ready, and this is the consistency that we have. It's quite thick, and we are going to apply it on our pancake. And this is our pancake, by the way. It's done. I don't know how many pieces we have, but there's a lot here. So I'm just going to fill it. You can use anything to fill your pancakes. You can even use vegetables, chocolate, paste, butter, whatever you want to fill your pancakes. I can maybe make other videos of other things that I will use to fill my pancakes. So watch out for that. And guys, this is casual weekends, and we made pancakes today, and this is what our pancakes look like. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you want to know anything about these pancakes, just leave it in the comment section and I will definitely answer you. So this is our pancakes today, and I hope you love this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Until I come your way, it's all about the unique.